guys, happy new year. Welcome back to my channel. I am Trishauna and today we'll be doing a wig unboxing. I got this wig for Christmas from my sister. It is the Sensational Empress custom lace wig. It is in the straight style in the color number 2. This is what the packaging looks like. And this is what inside of the packaging looks like. So with the wig, you also get a card that has additional information about the wig, how you can style it, and also the different colors that the wig comes in. So inside of the wig, as you can see, there's lace at the front, there's 2 combs at the front, 1 at the back, and also an adjustable strap as well. Right here, you can see me plucking the part of the wig. Then I proceed to cut the lace at the front. At this point, I'm just trying to fix the wig and adjust it. To see how best I can wear it. I tried to put it at the side, put the part at the side, but it wasn't really looking too good, so I changed it back to the center. So at this point, I'm adding some foundation to the part to make it look a bit more realistic. And I continued to try to fix the wig so that it looked a bit more to my liking. So that is it for this video. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button down below, and also don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell as well so that you don't miss out on any future videos.